everyone. Welcome to Works With 2023. We're excited that you're here. We designed this conference to be technical, topical, and practical so you can take away useful knowledge to accelerate your development. Everything we do as a company is about making the IoT successful: the platform, the products, the tools, and this conference. Our agenda is packed with technical sessions designed to strengthen your skills and advance your product development. This year, we cover everything from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to Matter and LPWAN and explore the latest developments in security and AI/ML. You'll hear from Silicon Labs engineers as well as experts from among our partners, including Amazon, Google, and Samsung. We're excited that we're back together at Works With and excited to get started, so let's go. So first, let's talk about developer experience and the importance of software. Developing for the IoT is hard. We're impressed every day by what you're able to do within the constraints of an embedded device. Embedded is the largest, most constrained computing platform out there. What you're able to do at low power, with limited storage, and at these price points is absolutely incredible. High-end processors for data centers may get most of the glory, but combined, the billions upon billions of embedded IoT devices out there are playing an elemental role to transform industries, help sustain our planet, and improve lives. Silicon Labs is the trailblazer in wireless for embedded computing. Our industry-leading technology has been built over decades, from an 8-bit MCU with a sub-gigahertz RF transceiver in the early 2000s to our 5th generation wireless platform that we'll be unveiling later today. But before we go there, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we as an industry have come, how impressive the levels of compute, connectivity, and capability are in today's IoT devices. At Silicon Labs, we're intent on looking ahead, anticipating market needs and envisioning what could be and building solutions to help make it possible. And because of that, there have been a lot of firsts. Easy examples include the first wireless SoC in a network, or the first multi-band, multi-protocol wireless SoCs. Software is a critical part of this. We talk about how difficult wireless development is, and we know that hardware development for wireless is difficult, and we know that software development for wireless is difficult. We've spent the last decade turning software into a core competency. We offer the most complete, robust, and secure software for embedded IoT, period. As an example, we develop our own wireless stacks and help drive each of the IoT wireless protocols by having technical leadership positions in each of the IoT Wireless Alliance working groups. Our wireless stacks are battle-tested, leveraging our large node test network set up in Silicon Labs R&D centers around the world. Examples would be our 15.4 network in Boston, or our sub-gig network in Rennes, France, or our Bluetooth network in Finland. All of these help validate and model your networks before they're deployed. At Silicon Labs, we're committed to delivering a great developer experience with common software tools and APIs across our portfolio. Our intent is to put the needs of software developers first. A few areas to help give you an example and help make this stand out. Think about the tools that we provide to help you develop your network with higher reliability and higher confidence, such as our network analyzer or our energy profilers. Think of the common code base that we provide across all our products, allowing you to benefit from a flywheel effect of more efficiency for every follow-on development. Think of the longevity branches that we provide to support long production cycle applications. And then there's the large team of technical field and application support and developer services to help you with your integration of our wireless technology in your system. We continue to invest heavily in online developer tools on scilabs.com and continuously expand documentation resources at docs.scilabs.com, combined with an intuitive, technical online community accessible to everyone. All these developer tools are critical, but it's the platform that underpins all of this and everything that we do. It takes an amazing synthesis of silicon, software, partners, and tools to support the IoT's incredibly diverse range of devices and use cases. It's why Silicon Labs was the first to develop a complete platform, purpose-built for the IoT. The importance of an integrated platform is highlighted in how Series 2 has become the de facto IoT wireless platform in the industry. Series 2 has enabled markets with integration and a breadth and depth of capability not previously available. Scalable multi-protocol and multi-band solutions enabling applications to run multi-wireless concurrent systems. Secure Vault, providing the industry's leading security for IoT wireless systems. And ultra-low power SoCs, enabling 10 plus years battery life on a coin cell. We've also innovated and integrated many firsts, like the first built-in hardware AI ML accelerator, helping any application needing predictive compute. If we just go back and look at the last 12 months, there's been a lot of exciting products announced on the Series 2 platform. Most recently, we rolled out the FG28, a dual-band SoC with radios for both sub-gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth LE, making it particularly attractive for edge applications in growth areas like smart cities, smart agriculture, and neighborhood networks like Amazon Sidewalk. The built-in AI ML accelerator is a first for sub-gigahertz SoCs, bringing AI ML to the edge for a whole new space of applications. Our new XG27 family of Bluetooth SoCs is ideal for small form factor devices. High performance, energy efficient, trusted security for tiny battery optimized devices like connected medical devices, wearables, asset monitoring tags, smart sensors, and consumer electronics like toothbrushes and toys. And last but not least is the 917. We're incredibly excited about our new Wi-Fi 6 solution, the 917, which is wrapping up alpha engagements now and will be GA later this year. The 917 is a fully integrated, low-power Wi-Fi 6 and BLE combo SoC designed to deliver exceptional computing power, faster machine learning processing, best-in-class security, and enough memory to run wireless stacks and applications, and ultra-low power consumption for industry-leading battery life. We're rolling it out as an expanded family of Wi-Fi SoCs along with the 915, which is optimized for cost. To give you an idea of the market response, we have more demand for the 917 than any device we have ever launched at this phase. We're incredibly proud of our Series 2 industry-leading product portfolio, supporting the broadest range of wireless technologies, protocols, and ecosystems for the IoT. We're going to continue to deliver industry-leading products based on Series 2 for years to come. But we also want to give you a sneak peek at what's coming with Series 3. Today, I'm going to give you an early look at our next generation platform. We're not going to give you all the details, but enough so you can get a taste of what's on the way. Series 3 is purpose-built for embedded IoT. Embedded IoT is exploding with over 100 billion connected devices over the next decade. For perspective, that's more than 6 times the expected volume of mobile handsets during that same time frame. Globally, we have more devices being connected than ever before, more data being gathered, and more devices processing that data. And we have more processing power and intelligence available at the edge than ever before. With this, new applications continue to emerge, and they're incredibly diverse. Series 3 has been architected to be the highest volume, most scalable embedded platform ever. Let's break that down. The first of 3 major areas is how Series 3 takes Silicon Labs' IoT wireless leadership to the next level. As part of that, more security. We've relentlessly innovated to advance IoT wireless security, making it upgradable and as future-proof as you can get in our industry. And we're taking that security to the next level with Series 3. More wireless capability, extending our wireless performance even further, as well as bringing scalable multi-protocol, multi-band solutions across all the mainstream IoT wireless technologies and ecosystems. And of course, power efficiency. Remember, we talk battery life in years. Series 3 will push battery life to a new level and better than anything else out there today or that's been announced. The second major area is Series 3 delivers new levels of compute optimized for your application. Series 3 will bring more than 100 times the processing capability, including integrated AI/ML accelerators for edge devices, enabling consolidation of system processing into wireless SoCs. In other words, with Series 3, with the increases in programmable compute, you can eliminate that existing MCU taking up space and adding cost to your system. This will include cutting-edge digital and analog peripherals, enabling higher performance systems. The third area is Series 3 will be the most scalable wireless platform ever. This multi-radio platform is architected with a common code base to be the heart of over 30 Series 3 wireless products, a 2 to 3 times increase over Series 2. In addition, memory is always a constraint for our developers. Series 3 will support an extendable and scalable memory architecture, including support for external flash. Built on 22 nanometer process technology, we've created a supply chain for new to IoT volumes with multiple fabs in multiple geographies. The impact of opportunity of Series 3 couldn't be more exciting. Silicon Labs changed the game with Series 2. It's the industry's leading IoT platform and has become the de facto standard for many of you in the audience. Series 2 will continue to grow and be supported with new silicon, new software, and will complement Series 3. Series 3 picks up where Series 2 leaves off, and both will coexist for many years to come. Series 3 is a watershed moment for our industry and Silicon Labs. The goal is to literally increase the industry adoption of IoT technology with new-to-industry capabilities and 4 generations of learning what our customers want and need. Remember those 3 areas that are going to help take the IoT to the next level. 1, taking our wireless leadership to new levels of security, new wireless performance, new levels of power consumption. 2, new levels of compute with incredibly efficient AI and machine learning for the edge and 100 times more compute for our customers' applications versus Series 2. And 3rd, new to industry scalability, scalable memory architecture, 3 times more products, and reliability supply for our future. Silicon Labs teams have been already working and have spent an enormous amount of time and effort innovating on the Series 3 platform, and we're on track to sample our first Series 3 products early next year. We will continue to provide more information about the platform products over the coming quarters. And of course, our objective is always to deliver the best developer experience and support you in getting your products to market quickly. We've designed Series 3 for more efficient development, with all wireless products on the same code base, memory extensibility allowing for application portability, and helping you create that true flywheel effect in your developments. An investment in Series 2 is an investment in Series 3. We'll be supported by the same GSDKs, the same software platform and tool compatibility across both families, including backward support and code compatibility. Simply said, we couldn't be happier with the Series 2 success, and we're incredibly excited about what Series 3 is going to bring. So stay tuned for more in the coming months. Here to tell you more about the developer experience and exciting developments on the horizon is Michael Norman, Silicon Labs Senior Manager focused on IoT developer tools and experience. Michael?
I lead a team whose sole mission is to support you in your product development. We're continuously improving the Silicon Labs developer experience with a goal to give you access to the best resources and community to set you up for success and then get out of your way. We want to support you and your preferences in tools, technologies, and workflows. To do that, we support the broadest set of wireless technologies and protocols. We offer the best-in-class tools, both ours as well as support for your third-party favorites like those from Seger, from ARM, from IAR, and from Microsoft. We're also expanding our documentation on docs.scilabs.com, making it easier to find, search, and access information from our subject matter experts. And we're leveraging more open source software projects and developer-friendly workflows. We recognize the work is never truly done. We're constantly working to simplify your developer journey. Earlier this year, we released our first step-by-step developer journey for Amazon Sidewalk to guide you through the complete process for determining coverage through device deployment and ongoing support for devices in the field. And today, we're launching our new Matter developer journey, a step-by-step guide to simplify the complexities of Matter development through initial exploration, hardware selection, testing, and certification, with ongoing support for all the key ecosystems, a first in our industry. Information on both developer journeys is available at scilabs.com. As we look ahead to Series 3, our next generation platform, we've been listening to you, our community of developers, as we seek to advance our developer experience. Today, we are excited to announce our next generation developer tool suite, Simplicity Studio 6. We gave it a head-to-toe polish with a new, sleek, responsive, and intuitive UI, incorporating flexible options to manage and accelerate your projects. You will be able to start your projects by technology with the ability to filter and browse our entire SDK example and demo library. For example, if you're building a Bluetooth project, you'll be able to see and jump right into Bluetooth templates and tools. We recognize that development is not a one-size-fits-all approach. One of the most common pieces of feedback we hear is that developers don't want to be locked into a vendor-specific tool and want to leverage open source communities and third-party applications to enhance their development capabilities. And we agree. The most exciting change in Simplicity Studio 6? We've decoupled the integrated development environment, or the IDE, from our configuration and analysis tools, while still providing a seamless development experience. This will allow developers to utilize some of the most requested IDEs on the market, while at the same time being able to utilize our best-in-class productivity tools. In a move to fulfill that goal, we're announcing a new extension for Microsoft Visual Studio Code, the most popular tool for software development in the world today. This extension will enable Silicon Labs applications, new and existing, to be developed using Visual Studio Code. It is available as a beta today and is supported by the current version of Simplicity Studio 5 and our command line project generation tools. We are incredibly excited about the improvements we're making to deliver a more simplified and flexible developer experience, and we look forward to opening Simplicity Studio 6 for beta in early 2024.
Thanks, Michael. We're incredibly excited about Series 3 and still have a lot of amazing products to come on Series 2. Wrapping up on our news of the day, Series 3 is going to change the industry. Simplicity Studio 6, our newly defined Matter development journey, and 917 and 915 GA right around the corner. There's a lot of exciting things on the way. We'll have more to share about all of these in the coming quarters. Make sure to sign up on our website to get notified with new information or contact our sales team to learn more about the upcoming Series 3 products. I'll now give you a quick look about what's coming in the days ahead. Later today, we'll have an exciting panel covering the latest on Matter developments and certification with experts from Amazon Alexa, the Connectivity Standards Alliance, Google, and Samsung SmartThings. Tomorrow morning, Silicon Labs CTO Daniel Cooley will walk us through what's needed to achieve the full potential of cloud-connected embedded computing. And we'll close out the conference with what's become one of my favorite works with traditions, a look at how IoT is being harnessed for the greater good. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a great conference.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay.